Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to create a Gmail account. First, open Gmail application in your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Now tap on Add another account. Select Google from the list. Tap on Continue. From here, go to Create Account. Tap on Myself or For My Business according to your preferences. Type your first and last name. Tap on Next. Then select your birthday. Select your gender. Tap on Next. From here, pick a Gmail address or create your own. Tap on Next. After that, create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Tap on Next. Your Gmail account is ready to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share.